All right. Welcome back. We got some packages today. I forgot about this one, which was an unexpected surprise. So this is a long sleeve t-shirt for my union for paying my union dues in full. Probably just on my address right there. All right, so had to cut that out probably. I had my address. Anyways, here is my long sleeve t-shirt. I have no idea what it says or anything. I can already tell I'm not going to like this t-shirt because it is way too thick and it's a long sleeve. Oregon, Northwest Oregon, Southwest Washington. The arm, IBW 48, Union Electrical Workers, IBW Local 48. So probably not going to like this. Maybe? I don't know. The lettering is really thick. The fabric is really hard. So I'm probably just going to give that away. Moving on to the important stuff. To all the haters who doubted, you know who you are. I'm not going to name any names, but you already know who it is. Here we go. We got the 10-inchers, and we got the Corvette key fob right there. So let's go ahead and open up these guys. These are very cool. They've been sitting in the mailbox. Feel pretty nice. These are the 10-inchers, the ones that I wanted. After the third delivery attempt, I finally got it. So I got 2 pairs of these. I had a Cash App deal for $100 off of a purchase, so I bought the original ones were 12 inches that I bought, so they were $124. So I paid $24, but then I refunded that to my Amazon account, and these were only like 90, so I actually made like 10 bucks. So anyways, these I'll try these out, and I don't know. I don't know. The only problem is I don't know if they're going to fit inside of my tool bag, my tool belt, because they're a little bit thicker with the handles. But other than that, I'm ready to try them out. They should be exactly the same as my other Cobras, with a little bit thicker handles for more comfort. So we'll try that out. Other than that, I guess that's it. I'm just going to have to try them out and tell you, but they feel pretty nice. I'm remaining optimistic. No negative thoughts yet. So yeah, I'll try those out. These were $42.50 each after shipping. So there it was like, what was that? $85 even. So I actually made like $15 or something like that. Anyways, I'll open up this real quick. This will probably go on my other channel. If you guys want to check that out, but let's go ahead and open this up. I did order one of these last week, and this is the replacement because it was kind of messed up. So this is attempt number 2 on this as well. The last one I did not have the most luck with, but this one does look better. I don't see any problems with this one so far. It's kind of dark in here, but this one looks a lot better. The other one had a black speck in it, and also had like some wear marks on it, like it was like already like used or scratched up. So this one looks a lot better. The back looks perfect. Oh, you can't even see what I'm looking at. Anyways, it's a carbon fiber key case for when I get my car, which will be in like 3 or 4 months. So I'm just pre-gaming it strong. But like I said, the other carbon fiber case had a black speck in it, and there were some scratches here on the bottom where it looked like it was used. So I got a replacement, and this one does look indeed a lot better and perfect. A lot more like crispy. Not crispy. It looks a lot more like there's more clear coat, and it looks more glossy is the word that I was looking for. But anyways, just pop this open, put your key fob in here when the time is right. I don't try not to like. Anyways, you just pop this open, but it's pretty stiff. There we go. So inside it has the like the matte carbon, and then on the outside it's gloss. So yeah, can't wait to use this. This looks sick. And that pretty much wraps up. This snaps back into place. That pretty much wraps up my deliveries. I'm super excited. Yeah, this is gonna look sick. Match my blue car. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Wait, is that scratches? Oh man, it's just fingerprints. Save the day. Okay, minor panic attack. Okay, anyways, looks good. Can't wait to use that. Thanks guys for watching. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, stay tuned for more. That's going to do it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace. All right, guys, I guess I missed the really dumb part where they put this giant thing on the back of your fake receipt of your union dues. That's really stupid. Ruined the whole shirt, to be honest. But anyways, like I said, I'm going to give it away. But it has that stupid union dues receipt on the back. Other than that, the front is just blank. But yeah, that's pretty stupid. I completely missed that. Anyways, hopefully like Steven will want it or something. All right, bye!